In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links or hyperlinks in PowerPoint using clickable buttons. This skill is especially useful for creating interactive presentations where you want to direct your audience to additional resources online, such as websites, other presentations, or online videos. Let's dive in and get started with adding these dynamic elements to your slides. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're using the latest version or a slightly older one, the steps are generally very similar, so no worries if your screen looks a tad different than mine. Once you've got PowerPoint open, navigate to the specific presentation where you'd like to add hyperlinks. You might have it saved locally or perhaps on a cloud service. Just open it up in PowerPoint. With your presentation open, look for the Insert tab on the top menu. The Insert tab is your friend for adding all sorts of elements to your slides, from pictures and videos to illustrations and links. Click on that tab and you'll see a range of options displayed. Now the next step is to click on Shapes. This option allows you to add various shapes to your slide, which we can use as the base for our clickable buttons. Once you've clicked Shapes, a drop down will appear with numerous choices, ranging from basic shapes like squares and circles to arrows and stars. For our purpose, you'll want to choose a video action button, which can often be found in the action buttons section at the bottom of the shape options. After selecting your button shape, draw it onto your slide. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear, perhaps near a text calling it out like "click here for more information." Once you've got your button placed, the next key step is to link it to your desired destination. To do this, right click on the shape and a menu will pop up. Look for the option that says hyperlink to and hover over it. This will reveal a new set of options. Since we are aiming to say direct users to a specific web page, you'll choose the URL option. This choice will prompt you with a box to type in the URL you want the button to navigate to. Carefully type your URL into the provided field. Make sure it's correct, perhaps copy and paste from your browser to avoid typos. After you've entered your URL, go ahead and click OK. Sometimes you might need to confirm these settings on a second panel, so let's hit OK again to finalize our hyperlink. And there you have it, you've successfully created a clickable button that links directly to a URL in your PowerPoint presentation. This method enhances how you interact with your audience, offering them quick, direct engagement with your content beyond the slides. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at making your presentations more interactive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.